let's look at what we can do just with some basic shapes and text in Design Space. I am going to start with some text, and I'm just going to type Dad. I've seen people looking for SVGs for Father's Day, and I want to find kind of a bolder font. Oh, I like that one. Okay, let's go with that. So I saw somebody online looking for an SVG, and it simply said Dad with established underneath it and the year and then a rectangle around it. I was like, well, you could make that. You don't need an SVG, and then you can use any font you want. So what I'm going to do is add my shape. I'm going to start with a square. I'm going to unlock that so I can make it a rectangle. And I'm kind of oversizing things right now, but I can resize it later. Let's bring that down. That looks good. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is take this and go to my offset, but I'm going to slide that to the inside to make it inset. You'll start to see that blue preview line go to the inside. You can make this little frame however big you want it. I'm going to use the sharp corner. I think that's where I want it. So I'm going to hit apply. Then I'm going to take this rectangle, hold my shift key, and this rectangle, and slice them. That's going to create a frame. So now I can remove this piece and that. Whoops, wrong piece. And that piece. And that created that frame. So now I want to make sure this is all centered with each other. So I'm just going to say align and center it horizontally. I'm actually going to move this just a little bit so you can see how it centers. If I go align, center horizontally. There we go. Let's also center it vertically. Perfect. Okay, so now what I want to do is slice out an opening here so I can put established and the year. All I'm going to do is insert another shape. Figure out about how big I want that established to be. Let's even center that on the whole thing. Do this. Okay, so now I'm going to take this rectangle, hold my shift key, and the frame piece, and hit slice. And you can put dad, father, grandfather, papa, whatever word you want. So it's really how you want to customize it. I'm just deleting the pieces I don't need. Now I can take the text and duplicate that. that one down here and make it really small. And I just double clicked in there so I can type in there and then go, oops, let's go capitals. Established 2022. So this font has a little dot inside the O. I might change it to a different font then. So that's how you can totally design your own image. I want to show you another one you can do using the word dad. Oh, and after you've designed all this, I would attach it all so that it all cuts exactly as you have the placement and position. Okay, so let's get rid of this one and do a new text and go dad again. Oh, this is a good one. So if we start off with a font like this, and what if we found some things dad likes? If your dad is into tools, you could find tools or fishing. Let's try that. So if I go to images and type in fishing, I can even filter this by images I've purchased or uploaded, or they're free. Because maybe I don't feel like purchasing anything new. That's kind of a cool image. So now you can start to kind of design your own look for an image by maybe taking this fishing rod and if I did something like this, selected everything and went slice, and now I deleted the fish and this little rod piece, and see how it put the silhouette of that image right in there. So with this fish, if I want to do that, it has a bunch of layers. So first, what I am going to do, I am going to weld all of that together so it's just down to one shape or layer. And then I can put that right there. Take this and slice. and then get rid of those pieces. And again, I cut the fish silhouette. So this is how you could go find images that relate to your dad and then customize a design.